Okay, hello guys. On this video I want to show you how you can download MT4 on your phone and how you can use your MT4 and also how you can log in your MT4 account, like the details on your MT4 app. So there's about 3 things I want to show you. 1, how to download and install, then 2, how to log in your MT4 accounts on the app, then 3, how you can navigate the app. So my name is Bitget and I'm going to just go straight up. So if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. So go to your Play Store is opening, then just type MT4. The full name is MetaTrader 4, so that is it there. Right, this is how it looks like. I already have it installed on my device, like on my phone. So when you come here, what you're going to see install. So you click on download and install. It's going to download, then install automatically. So it's already on my phone. I will just go straight to where it is and open it. So this is the app, you see. Let me circle it. That is how it looks like. This is the app. That is how it looks like. That is MT4. So I'm going to tap on it. It's open. So now I'm going to log in my trading account on MT4. Already have like 3 accounts here, like 1, 2, 3. I already have 3 accounts here. I'm going to log in another account so you see how I log in. So you tap on this menu. If you are just new, just tap on this menu button here. This will come up. Then you tap on the manage account here. You see manage account. So you tap on it. Then it's going to take you to this page, now. Then the plus sign on top of here, you click that plus sign. Then this is going to come up. Then make sure you choose login existing trades. This is login existing trades. So you see, I hope you are following the steps. So click on login existing trade. So the first thing you need to do is you impute where you have find broker. That is where you impute your server name. So some of us are server name are Infinox Capital Life 3, some is Life 4, some is Life 5. So like mine is Life 3. Let me confirm that, but I know it should be Life 3. Where is my mail? Okay, mine is Life 3. So I will just choose. You just type in Infinox Capital, then it's going to pop up. You just make sure you choose the right one. See Life 3, just tap Life 3. Then when you choose the server name, then it's going to show you these 2 places for you to log in. Now in the first place here, this first space here, this is where you put your MT4 number, your login number, and you put your password here. So I'm going to do that right now. Let me go and copy my MT4 number. Where is my MT4 number? I'll copy it, 6024. Now where I'm copying that MT4 number, when your account is being verified, you will be sent a mail. So the mail will just look like exactly what I'm having here. You see your account name, the login number, the password, the server name, the currency and leverage. So everybody receives this mail once the account is verified. So I've copied my server, then that is my password. I'm going to copy my password right now and paste it there. Or if you know your password offhand, you can just type it in. Then when you are done, click on sign in. See sign in at the bottom. So you click on sign in. So I tap on sign in. It's going to sign in my account. Then when you are doing this, make sure you have a good internet service on your device. Now my account is signing. Look at it there. Remember before now I had only 3 accounts, which was this one, and this one. Now you can see this one here. This is the one I just logged in. Look at the MT4 number there, 6024066. So If I go to my mail now, you see 6024066. so that is, I've just successfully logged in my MT4, my trading account on the MT4 app. So now let's quickly look at how you navigate the app. The first, look at the bottom here, you will see some icons at the bottom of your screen. The first one is the quote. The second one is the chart. Then the third one here is the running trades, your trades. Then the fourth one here is your history. Then this other one is like the trades. You really don't have business in this last two. These last two segments, you don't really have any business there. What you'll be working with is the running trades and history. So on these accounts now, if there's any trade running, look at, make sure, where you have this arrow, this icon that looks like an arrow, I just circle it. That is where you see all running trades, and your balance will be showing here. Let me take this off. You see balance. Like on this account, I only have 50 cents. You see balance, you see equity, you see free margin. So your balance is what you always be using to know if your money is increasing or not. Then if you want to see all the trades on your account, the previous trades, you click here, this other folder, this icon here that looks like a mailbox. So you click on it, then this is going to come up. Then up here, this thing that looks like a calendar icon, this calendar icon here, you can now use this to look at your trades of, this is daily. There is no trades on this account this week. You can do last week, you see all your trades for last week. You can see trades for last week. You can do last month, you can see trades for last month. These are all trades for last month. You can do last 3 months. Then you can customize, you can say custom period, then choose whatever date you want to do, you want to look at, then click on done, then it's going to show. So this is how you use your MT4. So you are not to take any trades on this free copy trading program. So all you need to do is just use this first one to know the running trades, the trades that are running on your account. Then this other one, you use it to look at the history of your account. So that is that. This is the quotes, this is the chart, and I guess that is all you need to know on how you can use your MT4. So this is just for the purpose of for those who don't know how to use this app, or those who cannot really find out how their trades are going on the app. So that is that. Please go through the video over and over again so you can understand fully well what I am talking about. All right, so that is all for now. I'll see you on the next video.